Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today on Danny's diecast collection, we're gonna unbox Actually, this is a gift for my brother. Um, Although it's not considered diecast, it is a plastic model. I've been looking into that also. I used to build models when I was young, when I was a kid, and in my in my teens. I did some plastic model building. My family, my brothers, especially my brother, the one that's living with us now, and my older brother, he still builds a lot of plastic models. So I wanted to give him this as a gift. So let's open it up. And of course, he likes to build a lot of World War II stuff, and I used to do the same. And we love World War II history stuff and everything. So of course, I got this from Aliexpress. It is a 3D printed model. I believe it's a liquid resin they use for this one. So this is the card from them, and they do have a bunch of, that is the picture of the completed model there. Let me zoom in on that so you can see what it is. Oh, it's actually not a good picture. Zoom out. And it's in this bag. Of course, it's a 3D printed model, so it's not going to be assembled. My brother will do that and paint it, of course, but I just want to show you before I do give him this model. It's in the bag. And if you can see there, of course, I'm going to have the, see right there. So it looks like it's at least 1/35 scale, maybe a little bigger than that. This is the 50mm one. They had two models, the 75mm one and the 50mm one. I think this is the 50mm one. I have to check on my, doesn't say here actually. It says TD75. Actually, this might be the 75mm one. So you see the 3D printed. I'm not gonna remove it because I want him to do all that. Another amazing thing about my brother is that he is legally blind in one eye. This is the stand right here. You see with the tire tracks. So when he does complete this model, I will make another video on that and show the completed build of this. And it's something I'm looking into, actually. I'm actually looking into buying a 3D printer of the liquid resin one to make these kind of plastic models. Also make, of course, I do like aircraft. I can 3D print all types of aircraft, plastic models, and military vehicles and so on. So this is the way it looks. I paid a total of $10.17 from Aliexpress for this. And I'm going to give this to my brother right now. He's going to be very happy. And he said he's very excited about building this. So you can't see much here, but there is some detail in there. If I put it, let me zoom in. See, I don't want to take it out of the back because, again, this is going to be, you can see the motorcycle. This is a World War II German soldier. That's the front of the motorcycle. With the, if you can see in there, it even has the very detailed. See the license plate on the, what is that? The mud guard, they call it, or whatever, of the motorcycle. And of course, this is the German soldier. That's the torso right there of the German soldier. So it is a German soldier. Again, according to the picture, it's gonna be like that. Of course, when you see the thumbnail of the video, you'll know how it fully looks like when it's assembled. This printout is not a good one. And again, I paid a total of $10.17 on Aliexpress, and I think my brother will be happy with this gift. Okay, so there you go. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And stay tuned for when my brother completes this one, the finished product. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.